Everyone, this is Kajima Vlog. Sa Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia and agad-agad gawa na ito reacting video yung mga clips naman sa Calgary, Canada, together with SB19. So, one second longer, let's all watch this. Ay, gwapo naman ni Ken. Ay, taray, sana all ate. Sana all nakakapagpapicture. Patingin. Ay, hala. Gwapo naman ni Justin. Ay, Kenton. Ay, hindi. Ano nga yung style? Ano nga yung style and Justin na shape? Nakalimutan ko na yun. Ay, bakit naman? Pinortrait. So, tayo ang mag-a-adjust ngayon for today's video. Pinagkaguluhan sila sa Calgary. Kala mo naman talaga. Mommy? Sana all? Sana all, no?
Justin and Ken standout fencing in Calgary.
Ano yung pangalan ng ship nila? Ay, wow. Ano yung pangalan ng ship nila, mami? Ng Stel and Justin? Kasi feeling ko maganda ito paggawa ng reaction video, eh. Tentel? This is in Calgary, isn't it? Ay, the Golden Bard. The Crone Knight, Josh, the Cursed Hunter, the Wiser. Ay, dami yung panchant. Hindi ko alam yan. Hindi ko alam yung panchant. Sorry, ah. Sorry naman. Oh my God, ang daming tao na naman. Ang daming tao, oh. Grabe, ang daming tao. Surfer. Ang daming tao. Ano ka? Hindi mo kaya. Asan sila? Andito. Wait lang. I-forward nga natin. Ay, ito yung entrance. Wala naman. Ay, sila lumabas na sila. Asan na? Gino-joke nyo kami. Natapos na yung video. Wala pa din naman. Nakakainis naman. Ay, wow! Wow! Parang Philippine Arena lang, ah. Atake. Atake, no? Ito yung Eton Ball nila. Hindi masyadong malayo. Maghanap pa tayo ng mas malayo. Ay, hello. The Sandok Boys. Thank you po. Thank you po. Totoo ba? Gwapo ni Josh?
Tour sponsors. Number 1, Philippine
Si Josh. May sariling mundo.
Airline Partner.
May sariling mundo si Josh.
Of course, MTS Law Firm, Meet City Law Firm, Discovery Boracay, and Discovery Coron. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Okay.
Guys, so much.
Gwapo. Parang mas lalong bumata si Josh magkaya yung ano niya.
Sony Music Entertainment.
Yung buhok niya.
Sony, thank you. Sony, always pushing our music. Thank you so much. Saan sila? What are you guys doing? But of course, syempre,
I
hindi
know.
natin papalampasin ang opportunity na to have a TikTok with you guys.
Ah, magti-tiktok sila.
Are you guys
Magti-tiktok
down for it?
sila.
You guys wanna do Donka Challenge?
Donka.
Oh!
Donka Challenge. Ay. Ay. Yan. Ay, ito naman din. Ayaw. Ay, atake. What's next? Ay, wait.
Ayusin nyo!
Ayusin ko.
Tapos,
Ayusin niyo.
tuloy!
Tuloy.
Oh! Tapusin nyo! Ha?
Okay.
Wala.
Wala.
Wala pa rin, wala.
Ayusin
Hindi
niyo.
na-review.
Hindi ako makikita ulit dun sa ayusin niyo.
I'm so disappointed.
I'm so disappointed.
No, I'm just kidding. Thank you so
Then
much
you're
for singing those songs
disappointed.
for us. And I think Quit is
my God, misteryoso talaga yung itsura ni, ano no? Misteryoso talaga yung itsura ni Ken. Simula ko bukas, patingin. Ay, magulo ang camera, sorry. Ay, ito. Mga kulitan. Magtanong mga kulitan. Ay. Parang gusto ko. Ay. Gandang pasok kay Pablo. Puno talaga siya ng pagmamahal, no? I mean, parang umaapaw talaga yung pagmamahal niya sa puso niya.
Sabi, as long as you're there to support,
Okay, as long as what?
we will always push forward to put the Filipino music, the Filipino culture
Yes.
on the global map. I know that we don't have all the time in the world. Siguro, possibly, hindi namin siya makamit.
Hindi ko marinig. I should use another.
As long as you're there, you will be your life. This is
Ay, atake. Okay. Ay. Yung dito nila. Ang gwapo talaga ni Josh. Sa totoo lang, iba yung atake ni Josh, eh. Okay. Okay. Grabe, nawawala sila. Grabe talaga, sister, kung dumakdak, no? Dakdak kung dakdak. Kakanta pa sana si ate girl. Kakanta pa sana sa ate girl, eh. Anyways, welcome to Calgary, SB19. Ito yung upon arrival. Excuse me. Okay. Okay.
But yeah, again, guys, hope you enjoyed that performance. And
Hindi niya ma-memorize.
still enjoying tonight.
Ay, taray talaga. Taray talaga ni Stel.
I think thanks.
Mataray talaga siya. Okay, thanks.
Know that
Okay, thanks. Sweet.
earlier when we had our photo op, I noticed that the energy is quite a lot, not quite, but a lot more different compared to our previous tours. Like I feel like I don't know, but like I saw a lot of mommies that with full of energy.
Ay, taray.
Even though they're moms already, I feel like they're just like bringing the energy. Maybe because this is our first time here. So they are very excited to see us.
Okay.
And interact with us. Is that right?
Is that right?
Mommy,
Is that right?
make some noise!
Mommy, swing some things.
Anong mas masaya? Zumba o SB19 concert?
Ay, Zumba or SB90 Sunset. Bakit? Ay, kanis talaga si Josh.
Sige, subukan mo.
Sige, bukan.
But yeah, so for our next song, because we felt like the energy is like, sabi mo nga kanina parang it's our first time here, and I feel like they miss the Philippines, they miss the
Sister.
that,
Hindi talaga ako sanay kay Stel pag seryoso si Stel. Sa totoo lang.
today, for our next song,
Pag seryoso talaga si Stel, hindi ako sanay. Eh.
our next song, it's called Mapa.
Our next song, it's called Mapa. Our next song, it's called Mapa. Sino po yung mga OFW
couple news dito. May mga family pa kayo sa Pilipinas ngayon? Masundin ako ito. So,
Yeah, so what was I
Atake,
saying
atake.
earlier was that we felt that you miss us with your family in the Philippines, and we dedicate this song for you guys. We hope that through this song,
View this song.
mapalapit kayo sa Philippines. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Ay, patapos sa dito. Alright, there you go. Basically, for today's video. The SB19 in Calgary. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.